Hi, my name is Michael Barbercheck, and I'm here today to talk to you about a new technological advancement that has changed the way individuals, programs, and businesses evaluate information, which is known as data analysis. This is a new breakthrough that has become relevant in many software programs and business models to help break down the meaning and origin of enormous amounts of data. So, what exactly is data analysis? According to the online information site Wikipedia, analysis of data is a process of inspecting, cleaning, transforming, and modeling data, all with the goal of discovering useful information, suggesting conclusions, and supporting decision making. Journalist and news anchor Maria Bartiromo is quoted in saying, "The amount of data and analysis available for free is a true example of information explosion has leveled the playing field for individual investors. Data analysis is quite prevalent, especially even in a field like Bartiromo's mentions, which is investing." To help better understand the usefulness and relevance of data analysis, it is important to look at the process of data analysis, the various types of data analysis, and where data analysis is seen in our world today. To begin, the process of data analysis helps understand what it's really all about. First in the overall process comes making sure that the data intended to be analyzed fits the specific requirements used by the resource directing the data or the organization and customers by which it will be viewed. Following this step, data is then collected from a variety of different sources according to each of the data requirements. Once collected, data must initially be processed or organized in order to be analyzed effectively. Following this, the data is then cleaned after being processed. This includes sorting through the organized data to find any duplicates, incompleteness, or errors. From here, the data is ready to be analyzed and is done so through what many analysts refer to as exploratory data analysis that includes the beginning stages of understanding and deciphering the actual data itself. Moving beyond this initial analysis, models or algorithms may be applied to the data to better identify trends and relationships. If an analyst or company wishes to do so, they can move further and conduct what is called a data product and create output information from already placed inputs. The final step in the data analysis process is communication. In this stage, information is reported to users or customers regarding the data, and feedback is then generated. Along with the various stages in the data analysis process, there are a few different types of data analysis as well. A few of the bigger types include data analytics, data mining, and data computing. As far as data analytics is concerned, it examines raw data in order to draw conclusions about information and are used in programs like Excel to create many graphics and pivot tables. Data mining involves extracting patterns from very large sets of data, as well as making the extracted information more understandable for viewing. It is often used as an asset for marketplace surveys and open source software. A final type of data analysis is data computing. This is a process of analyzing big data at very high speed to meet consumer demand. This area of analysis is quite popular in social media and many cloud networks. So where do we see data analysis currently? We see data analysis being used in many different firms and organizations today. It has many facets and approaches that apply to many different businesses, science, and social science realms. Use of data analytics is seen in industries like government census evaluations, sports statistical analytics, and even medical diagnostics. Here on the left scene is an example of data analytics being used in sports statistics. Some implementations of data analysis have even been used to create programs that outsmart humans by swiftly processing data, like IBM's Watson or Google's Go game. Data analysis has grown exponentially since the rise of many computing technologies and can be used in many aspects of our current society. Data analysis has become a very popular and innovative way to evaluate information, look at trends, and make important decisions. By looking at the process of data analysis, a handful of types of data analysis, and the modern relevance of data analysis, it is easy to see how fast data analysis seems to be growing. Brown University economist Emily Oster quotes, "The key to good decision-making is evaluating the available information, the data, and combining it with your own estimates of pluses and minuses. As an economist, I do this every day." Oster effectively shows how relevant data analysis has become in our modern world today and how useful it can be in making important decisions. So some questions we might ask moving ahead with data analysis are, how can we each individually find our niche in analyzing data? Where does it affect us each personally? Or even, where will the progression of data analysis go in the future? Analyzing data happens everywhere and is a part of our everyday lives. Whether as a part of your career or even simple decision-making, analysis of data surely affects each and every one of us on a daily basis.